There you go. That's pretty cool. Alright, well, I'll get used to it first. Cool. What the heck? So this is a, holy crap, this is a TTR230. My friend's letting me ride. First time on a bigger two-stroke. And this feels weird. Man, this thing is so quiet. Forgot you can kind of engine brake. Man, this thing is a freaking sweet trail bike. It's pretty cool, but it's kind of heavy, but man, it gets up and goes like no matter what like speed you're going, which is good. Which is kind of cool. We'll hit some ruts. Whoa, that suspension is really soft. And you can shift whenever, and it's like, wow, this is a freaking nice bike. My shifting is definitely but it's fine. It's a pretty quiet bike. And my shifting, yeah, it's not that good, but it's a really soft bike. Like the front shocks are soft. You know, they're really soft and good for trail riding like this. First gear is like nothing, but that's mainly for climbing and stuff on trail bikes like these. My foot keeps on. Whoa, we almost just crashed. I didn't even see that drainage. My foot keeps slipping off the peg whenever I'm trying to shift because I'm not that good. Yeah, first gear gets you like nowhere. But it's pretty cool. Going over some rocks. Man, this front shock is amazing. Like if my bike was kind of set up like this, you just don't feel the bumps, and like it's so easy to do everything, you know. I forgot you can engine brake really well on these bikes. So let's do some slow speed. It definitely is kind of hard to turn, but it ain't bad. I mean, you can still turn pretty well on this thing. Let's try some hill climbs. Oh man, this thing really shines on hill climbs. That's so much better than the KX going up a hill. That's pretty nice. Like I could get used to this bike, you know. Shocks are soft. They really absorb everything. Pretty good turn radius. It's really good. It just gets up and goes no matter what. Like say I'm going slow, it'll get up and go just fine, you know. It's pretty good. It's an amazing trail bike, I gotta say that, you know. The clutch and the angled brake are really, really weird, but you know, I don't know. Front brake is really good. Rear brake isn't as good as the front brake. You know, maybe it just needs to be adjusted. But I think my shifting is really weird for like a 4-stroke, because I'm kind of going and then it kind of like goes boom and like. Well, you know, we'll hit this creek up a little. Kind of just drop in here. We'll climb the hill up again in second. That's a pretty good bike. Good. Man, that's a solid bike though.